So here's me with my completely, well, mostly broken Punto. It's got a dead coil pack from as far as I can tell. So now I'm going to try and wait for my wife to arrive with some tools, and I'm going to try and sort of give it a bit of a wiggle, move it around, switch between cylinders and see if that ultimately fixes the problem. If not, I'm going to have to get RAC out here. Yay! At least the weather's nice, and at least I'm in a supermarket car park, so I have food and supplies if needed. But not really where I wanted to be on a Tuesday morning. Got other things to do today. Here come my rescuers, bearing tools. Hopefully we can get this thing sorted in the car park. Alright, so I've got the tools. Now it's just a case of getting the cover off and seeing what we've got to deal with. Alright, so depending on how it is, I'm assuming this is cylinder 3, but it could be that one as well. I don't know what the orientation is. So what I'm going to do is essentially swap these two and see what happens. And when you know it, this is rounded. Yay. So I've put the connector back on and off, see if that helps. So tried to get the coil pack off, and yeah, one of the nuts is a little bit rounded. So I only had like a hex set on me. So I'm just popping to B&Q, which is in the same shopping district retail park area, and see if I can just pick up a socket that's actually going to fit, and hopefully the bolt isn't too rounded. I can actually get off and then hopefully clean up the coil pack and nurse the car back home. But for now, it's Shank's pony for me. Luckily, it's an absolutely beautiful day. It's cold. It's about sort of either -1 or 0 degrees, but it is absolutely lovely. So if there was a day that I could choose to break down, probably something like this, because at least it's I'm situated in a retail park, so I've got lots of options, and at least the weather is lovely. So there are even upsides to breaking down. He says trying not to get killed by traffic. But I've already seen my first convertible with the roof up on a beautiful day. Why? Got a convertible. It's beautiful. Why not use it? Behold the majesty, the beauty of a B&Q on 11 o'clock in the morning, whatever time it is. Lots of different things, but none of the type I need. Brilliant. Right, I might be able to cobble together something with these. Okay, so we've got some possible tools that might be able to help get off the coil pack. Oh man. But basically I'm having to sort of cobble together 2 different sets of tools to then work with my socket set to then get it off. Hopefully it's not too rounded, but could be looking up, it could be. Oh man, not what I had planned for today, not what I had planned. Italian cars, man. I mean, to be fair, the coil packs are old, so I should have changed them when I did the spark plugs, but I wanted to save a bit of money. So we can guess how that went. But I've already ordered a replacement set, some NGK ones, so I think they're about sort of 200 quid for 4. So yippee. Also, cylinder 2, the bottom's a bit wet, so maybe some water's just kind of gone down from somewhere. I haven't got any over big puddles or anything, and it's got a cover on top. Wow, that took way too much effort. I've swapped over the coils, at least I think so, because I didn't actually look at which ones I took out, which is a bit silly. But And then I'm gonna have to clear the codes, button it back up, and see if that's actually made any difference. If it hasn't, the only difference I expect to see is that the coil pack, the misfire has moved from cylinder 3 to cylinder 2. And so now it's a case of just clearing the codes and hoping for the best. All right, I've cleared the codes. Wish me luck. Alright, so now I guess we read the codes again and see if the misfire has jumped, and then probably call the RAC. Yay! Alright, so I've pulled off the coil packs one more time just to give them another clean, just in case, because I might as well chance my luck, and if not, then it's RAC time for sure. Alright, here we go. That's sounding a lot smoother. Yay! Thank God. Okay, so nurse made this car back home, then wait for new coil packs to arrive. What a mission. Only went for some bagels. So that was a bit of palaver, but managed to get it all sorted, managed to kind of cobble together sort of the right sort of tools to get the coil packs off, which is great. And switching the coil packs over and making sure they were sort of clean and dry has essentially, at least temporarily, fixed the misfiring issue. What I suspect is the seals at the top of each coil pack have started to degrade. That allows sort of moisture in and stops the spark plug having a good connection with the ignition coil. So I've ordered some more coil packs whilst I've been waiting in the car park, and hopefully that will fix the issue. But my mission now is to nurse this car home and probably have some lunch. Yeah, wasn't really planning to do a video today, but you know, car gods do what they do. If you like this content, like, subscribe, etc., and I'll catch you down the road. Hopefully not broken down at the side of the road. See you next time.